Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually reset your Dstv Explora decoder to factory default and then scan to get back your channel. So you press on the blue button on your remote, that's the Dstv logo on your remote. Alright, so when you come to the menu, you look for settings. Use the arrow left and right keys to look for settings. Okay, so when you find settings, you come down to the system settings. Okay, the third option right here, and you press OK on it. Alright, so on the right side of the page, as you can see, we have on the second option to be the reset decoder settings, so you press OK on it. Alright, so when you come here, you need to select the exact option or the exact thing that you want to do. So you come here to the reset to factory default. Alright, and you press OK on it, and then you have to confirm. So you come down here. If you are not too sure of it, you can cancel it with this first option. So you come to the second option right here and you press OK to proceed. Alright, so you have to wait for you to reboot and you scan to get back your channels. Alright, so after rebooting here, you need to run the installation reset on it for you to get back your channels. So on the first page of the installation reset, we have the language option, so you need to select your preferred language. So we are going in with English. You press OK on it. Alright, so when you come here, you have the satellite. So with the satellite, if you are living in these listed countries over here, Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe, you need to select the IS20 or the IS20 satellite. And if you can't find your country name over here, the rest of Africa, you need to select the E36B and you proceed with it. Okay, so I'm not in those listed countries, that's why I need to select this satellite. So you press OK on it to actually proceed. And when you come here, you come down to the manual setup. Okay, the second option, and you press OK. Alright, so the LMB type have to be the unique cable TS or some SAT-CR. Since the unique cable LMB that you need to use it to install. Alright, so you come down to actually check the signal strength and then the status on the right side of the page. There is an indication over there if there is no blue tip in those boxes, which actually indicate that there is no signal on your decoder. So you got to check your signal cable or the satellite dish to get the signal before you can proceed to scan. So you come down to the scan option right there and you press OK on it to proceed. So you have to wait for it to complete scanning and you get back your channels. If it's a new decoder, all you got to do is to provide the IUC number or the smart card number of the decoder. You call the Dstv office and then you submit those details and they will do the activation right there for you. And if you are out of subscription too, you need to repay your subscription for you to get access to the channels. Alright, if you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.